To create an Express application, we will open the project folder in VS Code and then open up a terminal in VS Code. We will initialize the project with the command npm space init space -y. As you can see, a package.json file has now been created. Let's install Express using the command npm i express. We will create a file called index.js. Inside this file, we will create a variable called express, which will hold the Express.js module. This is why we pass in the express argument to the required method. Then we create a variable called app, which is a standard naming convention, and we assign this variable with the express function. This now creates a new Express.js application instance. This app variable now represents our Express application and provides access to various methods and properties that can be used in our Express application. We can also add a port variable using environment variables or a default port. The app.listen is a method used to listen for incoming HTTP requests. This method takes the port number as the first argument. The port number has been saved in this variable called port, and the second argument is a callback function. Inside this callback function, we can log to the console a message which will be displayed to the user. We can then save this file. In the package.json file, go to the scripts section. The test script is added by default. We can add a script called start. Then reference the file name of the main Express server file. In this instance, we called it index.js. And save the package.json file. Now we can navigate to the project directory in the terminal or command prompt. Then use the command npm start to start the server. And there our message gets logged to the console.